First of all, I would like to wish Sonam Wangchuk ji speedy recovery. He took a stand for millions of students of the country, but I would like to reiterate here that this movement is much bigger than one person. It is about millions of students in India who are being affected by a major fault in our education system, corruption in our education system. So I would like to tell the government that you might be able to remove a person, you might be able to stop a protest at Jantar Mantar, but you cannot drown the voice of millions of people, the emotions of millions of students across the country. So Sonam ji was one voice that was standing. There's so many others that we've seen. We saw Rahul ji's rally yesterday in Dehradun, Chhatron Ki Goonj. So enough voices are speaking up. These become representatives, but I think we need to understand, the government actually needs to understand the sentiments of what these students have faced. We have to look beyond politics in this. We can't completely make it issue based as in political issue. We have to understand that there are so many students who lost their lives. There are so many families who've overspent from their livelihood just to educate their children, but instead of a merit-based system, instead of a trusted, accountable system, we are faced with major corruption. So this needs an overall, the system needs an overall, those who are accountable need to step up, need to take responsibility. I would probably have been happier to see Dharmendra Pradhan going today to Jantar Mantar and himself requesting Sonam Wangchuk ji to go to the hospital instead of the way Delhi police behaved. So I think the optics are not correct, but still let this protest not be lost in politics. Let the focus of the issue remain.
But yesterday